Let me show you what happens when your customers buy embroidery products from your print-on-demand store. From the moment we receive your orders to customization, packaging, and shipping. I'm Michael, and this is one of Printful's fulfillment centers. Let's go. Printful has been making on-demand embroidered products for brands for over a decade.
We handle embroidery orders at facilities like this one in North Carolina, with industry-leading technology and trained staff. At Printful, top-notch quality matters. We ensure your orders are spot on so your customers get premium embroidered apparel. That's why only 0.24% of orders are returned due to quality issues. And we're proud of that. One cool perk of partnering with Printful is its 3-step quality check for every order, which includes checking the design files, fulfillment, and the final product. I'll talk more about those steps later in the video. Before you sell any product with embroidered designs, they first need to be digitized. Basically, we need to convert your files into a format that our embroidery machines can read. Digitization comes with a one-time fee for each new design, and the cost depends on factors like the embroidery type and design placement. You can read about this process on our website. I'll drop a link down in the video description. This is also where Printful's design team comes in, and it's the first step in our 3-step quality check. During this step, our graphic support specialists look at your embroidery design file to make sure it follows our guidelines, so your designs are in good hands.
To offer faster shipping and lower the carbon footprint, we ensure that your customers' orders get fulfilled in the facility closest to them.
For instance, if they buy an embroidered cap from the US East Coast, it'll be taken care of at one of our production facilities in the US. Likewise, if they place an order from France, it'll be sorted and shipped from one of our European production facilities. Once your customers' orders arrive in our fulfillment center, our operators review them. We double check all the details of your customer's purchase, product's model, size, and color. Then in our storage area, we track down the blank products and prepare them to move to the next station. This order got a t-shirt, a hoodie, and a dad hat. Here are the blank products. Now let's add the branded designs. The blank products are now at the embroidery station, where the operator uploads the digitized file onto the machine. For the unisex t-shirt, we're going with the left chest embroidery. The hoodie will have a large center embroidery, and the dad hat will get a front embroidery. The operator uses a frame to ensure the design sits just right on each garment, then pops them into the embroidery machines. Here's where the embroidery magic begins. These designs feature multiple color, so the machine quickly switches between threads. You have 15 thread colors, and you can pick up to 6 per design. You'll find the colors in the color and detail section of our design maker. This part just takes a few minutes, depending on how detailed the design is. Once the embroidery is done, we carefully take it off the machine and take it to quality control. We've reached the second step of our 3-step quality control. At this stage, our teammate ensures that the embroidered design matches the product mock-up from your online store. We carefully inspect every stitch to iron out the imperfections and secure the threads for durability.
And voila! Here's our embroidered t-shirt, hoodie, and hat. Check out how the threads bring the design maker's creations to life. Next up is packing and shipping the order to your customer.
We've brought our embroidered apparel over to the packing station. Here we give everything a final check, finishing the 3-step quality control and making sure we've got the right customization before printing the shipping labels. We neatly fold up the products, slip them into a poly mailer, and seal them up tight. Once all the packages are ready, they head over to our delivery station, all set to make their way to your customer. The whole process from receiving to shipping your order out takes 2 to 5 business days.
Thank you for joining me at our production facility today. It's been awesome showing you how we bring your orders to life. Check out Printful's product catalog to see the items you can customize with your brand designs. Can't wait to see them come alive here at our facility. See you in the next video.